Hello friends, today's project is dual mode stopwatch. With the help of this circuit you can create a dual mode stopwatch that will have two modes of operation. One is 100 seconds maximum and the other is 100 milliseconds. This means that the watch can count in seconds and milliseconds both. This circuit has various applications like you can set the timer using this circuit, etc. Let us take a look at the part list. NE555 IC is used as a monostable vibrator. With the help of this IC second and millisecond pulses are generated. 3 CD4033 decade counter ICAs are used that work as 7-segment display driver ICAs. Since we are displaying till 100 hence 3 common cathode 7-segment displays are used and also 3 driver ICAs are used. This is the circuit assembled over a breadboard. Let us see the schematic of this circuit first. These 555 ICAs generate pulses, which are given through switch S3. This is a mode change over switch. This will decide whether the stopwatch will be in second mode or millisecond mode. This is the reset button. The clock will display 0 on pressing this button. A 5-volt power supply is given to the circuit. This switch S1 is for starting watch in seconds and this S2 switch is for starting watch in milliseconds. Let us see the demonstration of this project. Using switch 3 keep this circuit in second mode. Now press this start button for the seconds mode. You can see the clock has started counting in seconds like 1, 2, 3 and so on. Seconds will gradually increase one by one until you have kept the switch pressed. Once you release the switch it will stop counting. Now if you want to count in seconds again first press the reset switch. Now 0 is displayed over the 7-segment displays. Now if you want to see milliseconds then first use switch 3 to change the mode to milliseconds. Now press this start button for the milliseconds mode. You can see the clock has started counting in milliseconds like 1, 2, 3 and so on. You can see it is increasing at a faster pace as compared to seconds. Milliseconds will gradually increase one by one until you have kept the switch pressed. Once you release the switch it will stop counting. Now if you want to count in seconds again first press the reset switch. Now 0 is displayed over the 7-segment displays. It counts in 3 digits hence the carry of each 7 segments is connected to the clock of the adjacent 7-segment display. You can make it count for more digits also just you have to increase the number of 7-segment displays used in the circuit. This is all about this project. We hope you liked it. Do implement this project at home and let us know your experience. Thank you.